thank you guys so much for coming back to consistently watch my videos. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I will be giving you guys my thoughts on some Alaffia skincare products that I purchased during Black Friday. So, if you guys haven't seen my Black Friday Black Business haul video, I'll make sure to link it below because I got a few products on Black Friday from Black-owned businesses. Two of those products I'm going to speak about today is from the company Alaffia. I actually got 3 products from them, but I'm only going to discuss 2 right now because those are the 2 that I've used consistently. And I think I've used them long enough to give you guys a thorough and decent review on them. The third product is a shampoo, and I've only used it once so far. So I don't think that's enough time to basically give you guys a true and honest and in detail opinion on them. But the skincare products that I got, I've used them for weeks now, sometimes every day, some of them 2-3 times a week. So I think over the past 2 months or so, 1.5 months is sufficient time for me to give you guys a good review on them. Alaffia is a company that is based in Togo, Africa. They are a fair trade company. Their products are mostly comprised of shea butter products that are created by the village women in that community. Not only are you buying products for yourself, but you're also contributing to a good cause, because what Alaffia does is they use their funds to basically support the community that they are in. For example, they help, and it says so on the bottles, and I've done my research on this company as well, so I made sure I looked into it, but they provide bicycles for education projects, and what that means is that there's some kids in Africa that live so far from school and they'll walk miles and miles just to get to school. What they have done is basically provide bicycles, whether new or used, and so that these kids can ride to school and get to school faster, which is just amazing. They also have the reforestation project. Why am I can't talk today? I don't know what's going on. They've planted trees, and so far they have planted over 2,500 trees. They also have projects for school supplies. They also help with the health of women that are giving birth, so women that are pregnant and they don't have sufficient health benefits or they don't have sufficient health care. They're basically helping with those needs also, and many other projects. So I felt happy and confident that my money is being not only used to gain something for me, but I also felt happy and confident that my funds are being contributed to help women and kids in Togo. So amazing company. They also have a YouTube channel. I'll link that below. Their website is amazing. They're fair trade. They believe in the value of hard work to help their community, and they're really trying to help the community around them, and I felt very honored in my little purchase to somewhat be a part of it. And I'll continue purchasing from them because, not to give it away, but these 2 products I'm about to tell you about, I love them. Absolutely love them. Love them. So I have this in my hand, and I'll show you both products. I actually got 3, like I said, but these are the skincare products that I got. The first one that I've been talking about is the Everyday Coconut Face Cream, and this is the nighttime replenishing cream. That's what it looks like. This is the Authentic African Black Soap. So this is the unscented black soap, but this is in the liquid form. That's what it looks like. So how do I use them? The first one is the black soap, which is at night. I don't use this one every day. I maybe use it every other day, but at least twice a week I use this one. And after I remove my makeup, I use this to wash my face. And I also use a little brush that I bought from Target. This little brush right here. And I just scrub this all over my face. All over. It really gets in there and gets out all the gunk, all the dead skin, all the makeup residue. This really cleans your face, and it does clean your face. So I find that even after I'm done with this, my face is not terribly dry, but you have to moisturize after this. You do. You can't just wash your face with it and not moisturize. This is basically geared towards cleaning your face. Also, black soap is great at clearing up blemishes, dark marks, and also if you're acne prone, this is wonderful for acne prone skin. I'm not acne prone, but it does help with clearing up my blemishes when I do get them. So this product, love it. It is a staple in my bathroom now. I haven't, you don't use much. Since I've been using it, I'm probably up to right here. You got, no, let me see. yeah, right there. And it just takes one little pump and it washes your entire face. So this will last me a while. Now, when you need to moisturize at night, this is where this bad boy comes in. And this one is like this one right here is I don't know what I did all these years. You know what I did? I used coconut oil, that's what I did. But this is just a game changer for me. And it is the Everyday Coconut Face Cream. This is the night version. And when you don't need much of this either. When you put this on your skin, it doesn't feel like it's doing much. It just feels like a lotion on your skin. But it just, give it like 5 minutes, it just sinks into your skin and your pores. And your skin just feels so soft. It does something. I don't know what you do, but you do something. And then when you wake up in the morning time, my skin just looks so refreshed. It really, I don't know what it is, but I absolutely, if I don't order anything else from Alaffia again, I have to keep this as a staple. I love both of these. I love this. I really do love the black soap. But this one is by all means so far my top chopper. This is this top shatter right here. So this is the one where I just sell out everything right here. So this is the one that I need this in my life consistently unless I find something else. This is my top product from them, from all the products from the 3 products that I got from them. This face cream right here, I just wake up and I know I woke up like this. Like I could walk out the house like, well, not like this because this is makeup right now. But I'm going to try to insert a clip of how my face looks without makeup, fresh face. You always see that this thing right here. So it's nighttime, time to get ready to go to bed. And I'm going to remove my makeup. Okay, so I used one wipe so far. This is how it looks. But most of the makeup is gone. But now, as you guys can see, and my eyebrows are gone. So now I'm going to do a really deep clean. And I'm going to wash my face with my black soap. 1 pump is all you need. It's very rich and thick consistency. My face brush, some warm water, and I go to town. So right about now, my face is feeling pretty dry. Clean, but dry. So now it's time to put on the main ingredient, the star of the show, which is my Everyday Coconut Face Cream, but the nighttime version. 1 pump. And 1 pump is sometimes too much. So you need less than 1 pump because this is too much and it just basically absorbed into my skin. Love it. It feels so smooth, you guys. Oh my goodness, it just feels incredibly soft. That's just the only way I can describe my face right now. It is so soft and just so smooth. It's great. Both of those products together, oh, so soft. If only I had some eyebrows, but never need makeup. Scent wise, it doesn't really have that much of a scent. It's very basic. It smells like lotion, like cream. It doesn't have much of a scent. The consistency is very liquid. It's not very thick. It's like very basic regular lotion, if you want to put it that way. It's not very thick, but it just does something for your skin. It's really healthy for your skin. I actually love it. Let me just read you what it says on the product, what it claims to do. Alaffia skincare is formulated to balance science and tradition to holistically benefit your skin, communities, and the environment. Everyday Coconut Face Cream is a rich moisturizer prepared with certified fair trade coconut oil to restore firmness and elasticity. Papaya and Kangpangan butter nourish skin, reducing the appearance of lines and wrinkles for everyday use. But I use this every night because this is a night cream. They have a day cream also. I didn't try that one because the night cream got more of a favorable review on their site. But not much else to say about this product. I don't have any negatives, to be honest. I actually love this product. I am not, let me put this out there, I am not sponsored, I am not paid, and I am in no way affiliated with the Alaffia company. I bought this for my own coin. This is my own true and honest review, and I must say that I use this product and I actually love it. That's all. Nothing else I can say about it. If you guys have any questions, like I always say, leave them below. I hope this video has helped you. And that's about it. If you guys use these products, let me know. Or if you guys have another product that you think is better than my product and you want to come test me, want to come test my Alaffia products, let me know in the comment section and I just might give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching and always enjoy your journey. Bye.